All right. We're one step closer, guys. You ready? See if I can do this. Let me move my hands. We are completely wired to the starter. So technically, we could start checking panels. Systems. So we have our new ground from the body to the block. You can see back there, we have our new ground from the frame to the block. Takes care of that. I have all my exciter wires and ignition to the starter. I have my, sorry, I just went absolutely brain dead. Power for the fuse panel to the starter. So I technically don't have really much left to do. I mean, I could if I really wanted to just start checking systems. But of course, now that everything's done, I want to double check and triple check and make sure everything is absolutely, absolutely perfect. Like there's one thing I forgot. Let me do that real quick. Because this thing no longer has an O2 sensor. Come on. Okay, there we go. All gone. So I got to see how the boss wants to do the exhaust system. Since it no longer has a computer-controlled system, we won't need an O2 sensor. But if we yank it out, of course, it's going to have an exhaust leak. So I'm not sure how that's being approached yet. But yeah, I'm just stupid apprehensive only because I want everything right. Because technically, all I got to do is disconnect the ground, put the positive on, and then reconnect the ground. I'm just scared. I'm just stupid scared. I just want this thing so right. I've put so much love and attention in this car. I want the owner to just look at it and go, oh my God. So I've got a couple more things I want to double check. Ah, that's where that fell. Okay, there's my electrical tape. Yeah, just a couple more things to double check and triple check to make sure before I even start trying to do any systems checks. Make sure all my grounds are good. I'll double check everything. Make sure that I've got everything exactly where it needs to be. And I'm not afraid to say, hey, I need to double check myself too. You know, just because the rarity of this car, it's got to be right. It's got to be right. So I'm doing everything I can to make sure that that comes true. So guys, girls, whoever's watching, and I just lost my necklace somehow. Oh, there it is. So, not that I'm religious, but you never know. All right, guys. And